Palay. Ang lupa ay banal, huwag haluan ng lason. Kaya parang maski na sa political agriculture kasi meron rin toxins. Sa historical agriculture, if there's such a thing, there are also toxins. There are lies that continue to contaminate. Yung mga kasinungalingan na lumalason sa kasaysayan. Kaya yun ay dapat ihiwalay. Hindi pwedeng sabihin move on. Kaya yung mga nagsasabing move on, bahagi sila ng kasinungalingan. Si Senator Enrile is part of the lie. No? Kaya siya, yung mga nagsasabing move on, sabi nila parang composted na si Marcos, non-compostable. A lie is non-compostable. Do not say, let us move on, let's forget it. A lie is a lie in whatever form it takes, a lie remains a lie. Cannot be composted, cannot be put into the earth, cannot be said, it's now part of history. No, it is never part of history. It should be segregated. It should always be made clear that this is part of the bad things that happen. Hindi pwede sabihin na ito yung heritage natin. Kaya pag nilagay mo ang isang lason sa libingan ng mabayan, isang political poison, yung lupa doon na banal ay nilalagyan mo ng lason. Kaya dapat lang ay pupunta sila doon, yung lupa na pinaspasan natin kanina ay huhukay sila na isang lugar doon na malapit sa libingan ni Marcos para iligay ang lupa, para muling sabihin, huwag natin lasunin ang kasaysayan. Huwag natin lasunin ang lupa, huwag natin lasunin ang isip ng sino man. We cannot move on. Kaya may EDSA taon-taon dahil maraming nalalaso na ang isipan, maraming mga systematically gustong kalimutan ng martial law. Bakit? They are guilty.
Sir, may mga nagsasabi na huwag daw gamitin yung EDSA celebration para sa partisan politics na sinasabi.
There's no such thing as partisan politics for people who love their country. We're partisan for the country. I've always been partisan for the country. I have never been nationalista, I have never been liberal, I have never been PDP Laban, I have never joined any political party. I belong to the party of the Filipino people. Ang taong bayan, may partido sila. Hindi yung formal trapo, elitist politics ng mga nakaupo ngayon sa Kongreso at Senado. Pero ilan dyan matitino eh. Kaya lang, kailangan natin bantayan. Baka maging non-compostable na rin sila sa Philippine politics.